Well, good morning. It's November the 10th, and I just spent my first night in the van. Boy, was it cold. It got down to maybe 45, and that's not cold, but when you're not moving around, it can get cold. We didn't use a buddy heater, but we just had 2 blankets on us, and I had a hoodie on. It was fine. We found a little spot in the neighborhood that we just moved out of, so I know that it's a safe spot. It was in front of an apartment building complex and next to a, what do you call it, commercial property. So we didn't get bothered, but around 1 in the morning, Diggy got really sick and he just messed the bed up, and it stinks in the van. We had to toss out all the blankets that he was laying on. I feel bad. For the first night, everything was good except for that. It was really quiet. Look at these views, huh? So yeah, first night of van life. I filled the pee bottle all the way to the brim, and yeah, it's not that bad. You know, we had anxiety in the beginning to get out and do this. But we had more what's the word? Oomph to get out and do it. So for the most part, it was good. There's a lot of clothes on the bed right now. Like I said, we just moved everything in, so we found this parking spot here in Rat Beach. It's $3 for the whole day. There's no overnight parking, but it looks like these 2 guys have been here all day, yesterday, probably all night, unless I got here a little bit late and they parked right now. I went ahead to go and pay at these little pay meters here. I had $3 in cash, so I went to use the meter. It doesn't work. Morning. And I used the other meter over there and it didn't work, and parking enforcement was sitting right there, so I just gave him I just asked him, I said, hey, these meters aren't taking my money. And then the third meter he sent me to only accepted credit cards, and he came up and gave me a citation, or he gave me an envelope. And he said, sorry for the inconvenience, and he said, stay all day. So that was a blessing. We're gonna use this time to clean up the van inside. I'm gonna take a nap, and this is a good spot to let Diggy out whenever he needs to. I mean, we got dogs running here. Yeah, we're just gonna take this time to clean up the van.
I did. I'm done except for a clear coat on the front door.
So we'll use this time. We're recording? Yeah. We'll use this time to clean up the van as much as we can. There's no trash in it. We've been taking out the trash pretty good.
Morning.
Morning.
Is that a Ford?
It's a Ford.
Yeah. I got that one up there.
Which one? This one right here?
Yeah, the white one.
Oh, nice. Is that a Coachman?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I just got the top.
Cool.
So now I can stand up.
Yeah.
You know, it's a must.
Oh yeah, I know.
It's a must. But yeah, we just moved into it, so it's a bit of a mess.
Yeah.
We're gonna
like mine.
Yeah, we're gonna just clean it up today. The parking guy gave me a letter saying don't cite. I tried to pay, but he wouldn't. The machines wouldn't let me put the dollars in. I'm recording for YouTube.
Yeah. Well, you can go take all the pictures of the. They're not working right now.
Oh, the meters.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I let him know, and then he just gave me the little letter here. He's all stay all day, hang out.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he's the cool guy.
No,
Thank God you got the cool guy.
Yeah, I was lucky.
Yeah.
So I saw your van here yesterday.
Yeah.
So do you just hang out all night?
Well, I live in Avenue D, and I gotta take care of my mom.
Okay.
No, nighttime I go back up to the
Okay,
house.
so like it's 6:30 that you have to leave, or?
Well, originally, you know, I was a sailor, so originally it's from dusk to dawn. So dusk is 45 minutes before the sun sets, or 45 minutes after the sunset.
Okay.
And dawn is 45 minutes before the sunset.
Okay.
So you'll see the blue truck open up the gate at 5:15.
Gotcha. And you're there, and you just you just come right in. Okay.
That's how I get away from my brothers. We're taking care of my mom, who's 97 right now.
Yeah.
So we all take turns, you know.
Yeah.
So they're both cops. I just don't, you know, I don't like their method of taking care of my mom. They like to yell at her, but she's got dementia. They got to understand that.
Yeah.
You know. I get along with her fine.
Yeah.
I'm the baby.
Yeah.
I get her whatever she wants. Don't give her coffee. Don't give her cookies. Guess what she gets?
Coffee
and
cookies.
cookies.
Yeah, and they.
As long as you eat your watermelon and your fruits and your Activia.
Yeah, get your balanced diet in.
Yeah, we got it pretty dialed in.
Yeah.
But then she can, you know, with that dementia, she turns on the, sometimes we got to call the lady to come in.
Yeah.
Boy, she does not like Penny.
Oh.
Yeah, get that fucking girl out of here. Mom, no, we went to Catholic school, man. You can't talk this. I can talk any fucking way I want to talk. I call her Bad Granny.
So what year is your van? Is it 97,
It's
6?
a 91, and
91.
that's why I picked it up. It was my neighbor's. Don died. I never knew he had it.
Oh.
Okay, it was in the garage, covered up.
So no miles on it then?
I bought it with 40,000.
Jeez.
But probably at the max in 3 years, about 5,000 a month.
That's it.
Year. It's probably got like 60, 65.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a good deal.
I just got to get on like you're doing. I just got to get to the inside.
Yeah.
You know, I tore the carpeting out because it was the original carpeting.
Yeah.
The guy tried to replumb it. He put the wrong, instead of the PVC, he put fucking hoses in.
Yeah.
Okay, I live in Mammoth. That hose is gonna freeze over.
Out.
And in order to get to those hoses, you and I can't even fit in there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
It's got the shower in the back, but as you know,
nice.
you don't want to shower inside the house, inside your vehicle.
Yeah.
Such a small one.
Yeah.
My 32 footer, yeah, I'd use it.
Yeah.
This one, no, it's so small and everything, so I'll put a shower on the outside.
Yeah.
You know, it's got the water
steam
heater.
Steam it up.
Yeah, it's got the water heater, it's got the stove.
That's good.
You know.
That's ready to go.
Don't like watching TV.
Okay.
It's got a TV in it, but
you don't need it.
I don't like TV.
Yeah.
Unless football.
There you go.
I watch football, but I don't like the news. I don't, you know, ever since COVID, I went off grid.
Yeah, that's pretty much what happened here. When it started, I was like, we need to bug out.
Yeah.
We need to get out.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. So, got it. It was a bus from LAX.
Nice.
I tore everything out and, you know, made it comfortable. I got my running water in there. I got a sink. I got my stove.
Yeah.
I got everything but a shower.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about just getting one of those small water pump showers that you stick it in a bucket and
Correct.
just do it in the back.
That's all I do.
Yeah.
You know, when I get out of the water.
Yep.
Because this water's so polluted.
Yep.
I mean, you saw it when it rained. It was terrible.
Oh yeah, everybody's getting
Sick.
infections.
Yeah. I stay out. I did my summer swims.
Okay.
Yeah. I get here early so I can walk up to the cove and come
Yeah.
back down. and then I'll do the. I know the lifeguard. When he gets on duty, we'll go out to the buoy and back.
Nice.
But it's winter time now, so I stay out of the water.
Just yeah, it's a bit cold.
How much did you pick this up from the?
I was trying to get him down as much as I could because the mileage was like 140.
Yep.
And I don't like 140
Nope.
in the city.
Nope.
You know, that's terrible.
Yeah.
So he wanted 10. I brought him down to like 7.
Oh, that's good.
And yeah, so I mean,
where do you get the shells then?
there's a place in Wilmington called Fiberine.
Okay.
And they've been doing it for 40 years. They probably did that one.
Okay.
So every like Coachman or Sportsmobile or whatever,
Yeah.
they went to him, to this
Okay.
company in Wilmington, and they do the fiberglass tops. There's another guy right over there that has it.
Yeah.
So he probably got the same from the same company. It looks the same.
Yeah. Yours is a little longer because you got that pushed-out window in the back.
Yeah, so we got the extended. Gives me another 2 feet
Yeah.
of storage and whatever in the back because I got a dog in there and he doesn't walk too well, so we have like a buggy so
Yeah.
that we can take
Good
him
for
around.
you. Yeah.
And my dog's got dementia, so he's
He's like my mom.
grumpy. Yeah, he's grumpy.
I'm Mike McIntosh.
Oh, Chico.
Born and raised here. Chico. I got a friend, Chico.
I came out here in '88
Yeah.
from Canada.
Yeah. Well, my grandma's from Canada.
Okay.
So I've been up to Toronto, Ontario.
Yeah.
My dad's from Michigan. He's buried there at Algonac, Michigan.
Okay. I was born in Toronto,
Okay.
so
I liked it up there.
oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just yeah, we came out here in the '80s when California was like
Yeah.
good,
Yeah.
and then it's just kind of like you were saying with the COVID and like everything was
People are mean.
turning.
Devil's
Yeah,
there.
they were getting mad.
Yeah.
There you go. The devil is
I
here.
don't preach.
No, exactly, and that's another thing too is I was never into the Bible and all of that stuff until this stuff happened, and
Oh, yeah.
it really shows you that demons are walking amongst
Oh,
us, and it's like they're very mischievous.
Yeah.
You can
You go to Chevron and that's where they all hang out. All the like I say, both my brothers are cops. I know what's going on.
yeah.
So, we just got to slowly get rid of the mentally ill, I call them.
Yep.
I don't want to call them transients. I
No.
do feel sorry for them, yes. And yes, I will help them out if they're not on drugs or alcohol.
Mhm.
I will buy them food,
Sure. But won't give them money. I mean,
No, I got my card.
I'll give a bag of food.
Yeah.
No, yeah, for sure. Yeah, we just moved out of our place and we moved into this actually.
Yeah. You can't afford it here.
Yeah, it's
got-
like we can do it. It's just the hamster wheel, the constant over and over doing the same thing over and over just to pay the rent.
Right.
And when I go pay my rent every month, I have to drive up the hill here
Yeah.
and drop it off and look at the view that my landlord gets that I'm paying for.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm living in a shithole down here.
Yeah. 1 bedroom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's trash cans everywhere, and
Yeah.
the homeless are staying there. I'm
Yeah.
like, why am I paying for this?
Right.
Why am I working so hard to pay for this?
Yeah.
So we dumped our money into this.
Yeah.
And we're like, fuck it, we'll go
I
somewhere.
like that.
No, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's a 350, so it'll hold.
Oh yeah. I got
know?
the 5.0 liter, so it's what is that? 351 Cleveland
Okay.
in there.
That's these Fords are solid.
Yeah, compared to the Dodge. I had Dodge. Don't ever buy a Dodge.
That's what I hear. A lot of people say get out of Dodge.
Yeah.
I guess that's why
I
they say
actually
it.
bought it in fucking Texas too.
Yeah.
Yeah, drove it all the way across country. Thought I could get out of Texas in probably like 6 hours. It took me 24 to get up to Route 66.
Yeah.
Because it was in Dodge City over by Louisiana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's
Yeah.
all the way over there.
Yeah.
East Texas.
And then it was hotter than shit. I got off the plane at night, the jet. And the guy came and picked me up, and it was fucking like 95.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was uncomfortable.